I'm not sure how clear it is showing up on the screen here, but here we have. Let me see if probably I could move it back, and there, that should be a good view there. This is the fat that was left back from 4 strips of bacon that I cooked up this morning. As you can see, there's a lot of friggin' fat up in this thing here. Let's see if I can get a shot from the bottom of it moving around. Yeah, there we go. That's probably a better view of it there. Imagine eating all of this fat. Are we really paying attention to what we're eating? And it all got me thinking last night. I was watching Karen making notes of the contents of her eggs and bread and counting of calories, I guess. And after I made my bacon this morning to go with my beans and toast, I noticed all of this fat. Sure are doing a lot of damage to ourselves. Thank God it's not going in me, but I'm sure quite a bit did go into me this morning.